And today on Flavour Station, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be making some jerk chicken pasta, a fusion dish of my creation with some lovely little bits. Enjoy! Bow!
Flavour Station. Flavour Station.
Right then, first thing we're going to need, ladies and gentlemen, is some peeled sweet potato. We're just going to slice this into discs. This was only a small one, just a little sweet potato peeled nice and fresh into discs. See it there? Now get an oven tray, boom, bang them on there. Lovely jubbly. Fill it up with your olive oil. Little drizzle of that on there. Yeah man, rub that in so it's nice and coated. As soon as that's coated up, we're going to come with a little season, little garlic salt, flake salt with dried garlic in there. Booyah, see it there? Sprinkle that on, little piece of thyme as well. Then we're gonna get a preheated oven, 180, boom, bang that in there. Shut the door, job's a good one. Now, cucumber ribbons, we're gonna pickle these. So we get the sweetness of the sweet potato and all that thing, we're gonna balance it nice. Peel this cucumber like so. Spuddy buddy died, you know, brethren. Him dead and gone, funeral soon. White wine vinegar, couple tablespoons of that, couple tablespoons of water. Yeah man, teaspoon of brown sugar till it's combined like that, melted. And then you just bang your cucumber in there, leave it for 10-15 minutes, leave it overnight, it's up to you, depends how sharp you want it, how translucent you want it. Next thing, scallion, spring onion. Just gonna prep this ready. This is gonna be a nice sauteed spring onion, just a nice bit of sweetness and charness. Next thing, water. Boil that up. Do me a favour, like this video, subscribe, drop a comment below, hit the ding dong, you know what to do. There's the pasta we made, jerk chicken pasta, tortellinis, ravioli, all that good stuff. Gonna go with the tortellinis first off, blood. Yeah, lovely jubbly. If you want to know how to watch these, hit the channel, you'll see it. Couple videos ago, we made that from scratch. It was sick, no pasta machine needed. Hot pan, we're gonna saute off our tomatoes and spring onion just till they catch like that. See, little bit of colour, little bit of heat. There's your sweet potatoes, cooking nicely, looking soft. Pasta is lock off. Ravioli in there too. Check that it's bouncy, check that it's soft, check that it's lovely. Yeah man. Oh, now we're gonna plate them up. We're gonna plate them two ways. Nice little start of this. You're doing a little dinner party and thing. Yeah man, gonna put that like that. Place that little thing there. Could have done with my tweezers. Could have done with my tweezers, bloody. Ah well, you know how it is, Then you want little slices of radish if you've got it. Your tomatoes, there's your cucumber, your ravioli, little watercress on top. Little micro herb there, little micro cress too. Yeah boy, now little Scotch bonnet sauce, straight out the cupboard, no messing. Beautiful. It was proper nice. Now next, tortellini, couple little discs, 3 of these, dot them around. Yeah man, give us a like, share this video, show your nan if you want. Boost the channel, let's be massive. And I can give you all a tenner, it'll be sick. Do giveaways like a grand. And then just position your bits a little bit different on there. See how I positioned it? Tomatoes in half on this one. Yeah, your roasted tomatoes, watercress on top, Scotch bonnet sauce, and there we have it. Lovely starter, nice midsummer snack maybe. Snacking? We're snacking over here, lad. Yeah boy. Jerk chicken pasta from scratch. Yeah boy. Like this video, comment below what you want to see next. Anything, I'll pick one and I'll do it to the best of my ability. God, if we could just admire that, the colours, at least the colours. Lovely orange, green, like white, red, just bright, just amazing. Thanks for watching, Flavour Chasers. I love you lot, man. Click there, watch another video if you don't mind. Watch a playlist, amazing food. Follow on Insta, follow on Twitter, search Flavour Station on Facebook. We're everywhere, we're popping. Love you, bye.